Beautiful day in Toll House, California. We've got four 400-watt Canadian solar panels powering a off-grid mini split. So I just barely finished doing the attic run. We've got our solar cables coming down, red and black. I've still got to put some conduit around them. And then we've got our grid power right here, so they can run at night when there's no sunshine. We've got the solar running in, PV inputs here, and we've got the communication cable coming from the head unit here and grid power here. But if you want to go off grid, just flip that switch, and now the air conditioner is running fully off grid, straight from solar panels without a battery. We've got the water drain tube coming out into some plants, producing half gallon to a gallon of water per day. Off-grid air conditioning. Here's the indoor head unit. Turned out really clean between these two windows. It's 88 degrees outside and 68 degrees inside.